Hey guys, it's Kylie. Welcome back to my channel. Today I played with a very simple kind of sparkly olive eye. I want to give a special thank you to my new subscribers. You guys are all so sweet and I really appreciate your support. If you're not already subscribed, make sure to press that button down below and let's get into it. Okay, so my brows are on. I'll link that tutorial in the cards above, and I went ahead and I just primed my lids real quick with the Milani Conceal and Perfect Concealer, and then I set that in place with the Wet n Wild eyeshadow and Creme Brulee. I don't totally know what I want to do yet, but I know I want to use Jade, and so I'm going to start out by buffing Gingerroot all in my crease. I'm just using that as my transition shade. I'm going to blend out those edges just a little bit with citrine. Taking Tiger Eye on my finger and just patting it on the outer portion of my lid. And going in with a little brush to kind of blend out the edges. Now I'm taking Jade and just kind of giving myself a little wing and lining my eyes with that shade. Blending out the edges a little bit more, and now I'm going to do the same thing on my other eye. Now that this eye is done, I am going to finish up the rest of the face before going back to the eyes, and I'm just concealing my under eyes and any other discoloration with Milani Conceal and Perfect Concealer. And I'm just setting my under eyes with the Coty Airspun powder. Gonna add just a little bit of warmth back into the skin with the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. I am using my Tarte blush in Party. And I'm just hitting the high points of my face with the Essence Pure Nude highlighter and Be My Highlight. Using the e.l.f. brow pencil to redefine my big freckle. Lining my lips with the MAC Cremestick Pro Liner and Gingerroot. And just topping that off with Bare Minerals Sex Pot. Going back to the eyes, I am buffing Dude on my lower lash line. And taking just a little bit of Tiger Eye on the center of my lower lash line. I'm using my Precious to highlight my brow bone. And Pearl to highlight my inner corner. Now I'm going to use Diamond and pop that over my inner corner and kind of on the inner half of my lid. And I'm just using a fluffy brush to blend that out a little bit. I'm gonna curl my lashes and give them a generous coating of the L'Oreal Bambi Eye Mascara. And that's the finished look. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on Friday.